Hey everyone, welcome back. Here comes the nutritious recipe Panjiri. It's a great supplement to nourish and strengthen the body, and also it's an amazing treat for nursing mothers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan and add 1/4 cup of almond gum or almond resin. Roast for a minute or till they puff up, double in size. Transfer to a plate and set aside. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add 50 grams of lotus seeds. Keep the flame on medium and roast these seeds till crisp. Transfer to a plate. To the same pan, heat some ghee, add 3/4 cup of almonds. Fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Transfer to a plate, let it cool down. Now let's add 1/2 cup of cashew nuts and 1/4 cup of pistachios. Fry them until they turn slightly golden. Transfer to a plate. Again 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds. You can also add some melon seeds. Roast them on a low heat for a minute or two. Some more ghee and add 1/4 cup of raisins. When the raisin starts to balloon up, remove them from the pan. Add the remaining ghee. This is 1/4 kilo semolina, also called rava. Roast on a low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Semolina is half done. Keep frying it. To this, add 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut and roast for 5 more minutes. It's beautifully roasted and I'm getting a nice aroma. Let's turn off the flame. Wait for the roasted nuts to come to the room temperature. Then add them into a blender and chop coarsely. Let's mix all the ingredients together. For that, into a large mixing bowl, add the roasted semolina, desiccated coconut. Next goes coarsely chopped nuts. Add raisins and pumpkin seeds. Finally, I'm adding 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Increase or decrease according to your taste. Combine all of this together. Treat yourself quite often with this easy recipe and enjoy. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.